Hi guys, today I'm gonna unboxing HP Laserjet 1020 plus. So let's start it. How can I unbox that and use it with Windows 10? So let's start it. Today my dad is my partner to unbox that. So let's start, dad. So start the unboxing video. First I cut out the pack and then I will open that box. Wow, this is the nice looking, bro. So just unbox this one first. There is some packs. This one is the toner of the printer. I'll take the side carefully. And this one is the plug, 3-pin plug. And this is the another point to the printer. And this is the USB cable which goes through the CPU port. And this is the documentation. And this is the guide. No, this is the tray of the paper stock. I keep it side that, and also the documentations. So the driver CD is there. We are installed this. After this unboxing the printer. Now the main thing is the printer. So first give it back. Wow, this is a nice looking printer. Wow, this is a nice looking, and this is the handy printer also. So I just remove the tapes from there and pack that. So you can see that the nice looking of the printer also. This is the very smallest printer and it is also the hardiest printer from HP. Okay, I remove that now and remove that also. So this is the tray for when the print will be completed, that will be stayed there. And this is the slot to the printed stock, pages stock. So I will do it after later. So now I stop that. I will gonna to install the driver to my computer. So this is the toner. My father gonna to unbox the toner and place that in the printer. So just cut it the package. So this is the toner of 12A. You can see that. So remove the tape first, and now gonna to place the toner to the printer. First cover up this one and hold it down. From this it will be there and it will be push it there, and this will be placed very clearly with smooth handy. You can see that. Now I gonna print a page on my printer. So print. So I set my page setup and copy number 1 and gonna to print. Now it will print. You can see that the print quality is very good. The writing quality is also the good. So this is a very good printer. You can buy this for your purpose, for your text purpose, the printing. So thanks for watching guys. See you on next video.